Meaning of efficiency unit.
Efficiency unit.
Efficiency unit.
Efficiency unit.
Efficiency unit. The term efficiency unit refers to a measure of the energy efficiency of a particular system or process. It is usually expressed as a ratio of useful output to the amount of energy input required. A higher efficiency unit indicates that the system is able to convert a greater percentage of its inputs into useful outputs, resulting in lower energy waste and potentially lower operational costs. By focusing on improving efficiency units, businesses and individuals can reduce their carbon footprint and contribute to a more sustainable future.